The images from Southern California have sparked many conversations 1,000 miles away. In fire-prone Colorado, a next-door post is gaining traction. The woman who posted it told me her farmer's insurance policy, the one she's had for 40 years of living in the foothills, is suddenly getting canceled. Her letter from Farmers Insurance says the determination was made that this property exceeds our risk threshold.
I'm really a little unnerved of what we're going to do and what the options are.
Roger Nickel commented on it because he got the same letter.
We got a notice in the mail that we're getting canceled.
His farmer's policy for his home on Lookout Mountain is going away in February.
So I called my agent. He said he would look for options. Haven't heard back from him on those options, so I'm kind of on my own.
Roger's not sure why his home is considered high risk. He's done the work. The previous owners did too.
There's not a tree 100 feet?
That one's 70 feet away. Those are 100 plus, so there's not even...
You know that.
I had to measure them.
Yeah. Up the road, Keith and Zara Swingle commented on that post too.
We ended up getting travelers, and that lasted a year-ish. We're canceled just because of where it's at, and then Safeco canceled us about a year in as well.
They're now on their third insurance carrier in as many years after Safeco ended their policy on Christmas Eve.
Safeco just did an aerial view and said, you have until the end of your policy period and we're not going to renew your policy.
We tried to ask if we could mitigate and they said no.
They probably couldn't mitigate much more than they already have, clearing the property of nearby trees and brush, building with fire-safe materials.
Our former neighbor was retired from the Bureau of Land Management. He looked at our house and said, you guys are good with fire mitigation here, but clearly that doesn't hold any sway.
They're just hoping they don't have to look for a fourth insurer.
Granted, we found somebody new, but what's to say they won't come back to us later and tell us the same thing?
Roger already considering different insurance.
And apparently there's some other companies that specialize in high-risk areas, which I really don't consider this high risk. It is very unnerving.